Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's take a look at this triangle. They've given us the length of the three legs of the triangle in terms of the variable x. The left side is x meters long, the bottom length is x plus 70 meters long, and the hypotenuse is x plus 90 meters long. Then they tell us that the perimeter is 400 meters, and then they're asking us to find the area of that triangle. So first what we need to do is find the value for x. So we can do that by saying that the sum of the three sides must add up to 400 meters because that is the perimeter of the triangle, which means that x plus 70 plus x plus 90 must equal 400. So now we move all the numbers to the other side. So now we have on the left side x plus x plus x is equal to 400 minus 70 minus 90. So on the left side, we end up with 3x is equal to 400 minus 70 is 330, minus 90 is 240, which means that if we divide both sides by 3, that x is equal to 80. Now, how can we tell that we did this correctly? We can do a quick check. We know using Pythagorean theorem that the sum of the squares of the sides must equal the square of the hypotenuse, which means that x squared plus x plus 70 squared must equal x plus 90 squared. So let's see if we plug in this value for x that we get the correct number here. So here that means that is 80 squared plus 80 plus 70 squared, is that equal to 80 plus 90 squared? Well, here we can see that this is 80 squared, and that's of course a question mark. We're trying to find out. Plus 150 squared, is that indeed equal to 170 squared? Again, question mark. So let's try it and see what we get. Well, first of all, what we can do is we can take the square root of both sides. So we're going to take the square root of the right side and the square root of the left side. So we take 80 squared plus 150 squared equals, take the square root, and it is indeed 170. So 170 equals 170. So we can say that, yes, so far we've done the problem correctly. X is indeed 80. Now that we know the value for x, now we can go ahead and find the area of the triangle, because the area is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. And so therefore this is equal to 1/2 the base, and the base is equal to x plus 70. X plus 70 is 80 plus 70 or 150, so that's 150. And the height would be the side here, that would be x, and x is equal to 80. So that gives us 1/2, 80 is 40, that's 600, that would be 6,000, and that would be meters squared because that's 150 meters, and that's 80 meters. So we found the area of that triangle by finding the value for x, and that's how it's done.